So, Bob, I have some questions for you from the patrons, and I thought we would read those questions into the microphone so that the computer records them as we speak these questions, and then also into the microphones and having the computers record, we could record our responses to those, and then I would post this on the internet so people could listen to it and find some value in it. What do you say, Bob?
I say, great. You emailed me some questions this week. Is that the kind of questions we're going to be looking at?
Yeah, I did a rare thing by actually doing a good job by prepping you with the questions so that you weren't just being sprung upon in the moment.
We'll see if that changes things.
So the first question is from Patron Ann. She writes, if you were forced to diagnose the coronavirus according to its way of interacting with humans, what label would you use? End of question. By the way, I love this question. We tend to get some wonderful questions, but we usually don't get easily answerable questions like this. I always try to encourage people, like, love the heavy questions. It's also nice to get some light questions every now and then. So, Bob, if you had to diagnose the coronavirus based on the way it's interacting with people, what label would you use, Bob?
Oh, interesting. So the virus, what it does is it sort of attacks people willy-nilly and spreads and is sort of invasive and causes people to hole up in their homes. So it's like an avoidant personality maker. I mean, I guess. It's a social distancer. I don't know. I guess the only thing I could think is it's something antisocial, but something about that feels kind of wrong to say. I don't know.
No, that's what I would say. And antisocial personality disorder, things that, and maybe histrionic, given that it has garnered so much attention. And things that aren't in the DSM, but clinicians will use as sadistic personality or psychopathic personality,
right?
Based on the things that you're saying. I mean, it seems to kill without remorse. It definitely likes to terrify people. So, if we were to...
It's like the Ted Bundy of illness.
Right.